Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is Burgh Unboxing. Now, I kept dropping my keyboard, and it broke. So this is a new keyboard. This is smaller. This is a Mac Ally keyboard. Now, I'm going to use the old one until it dies, but this is much smaller. And this will work even with a iPad. So we will see what happens with that. I'm not going to open it right now, but you can get an idea of what it looks like, front and the back. So I will do that when I need it, and I'll put that down. Got all these boxes floating around here. And they cut off the internet with no warning. I will go and take care of that tomorrow. I don't know when. I was expecting this stuff tomorrow. This is stuff that was supposed to be delivered tomorrow. So luckily I don't have to sit here now, I don't think. But I have to walk down with the iPad and see on the internet if anybody has Wi-Fi still going that's free in downtown Martinez, and see what was supposed to be delivered tomorrow and that came today. So there's a bunch of other stuff here. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. If you want to donate to the channel, PayPal address is falky2013@gmail.com. I have to pay my coin interest at the coin dealer. I have to pay my post office box rental, and I have to pay my internet. And I had to buy a new phone for $30 because I misplaced this when I couldn't find it. It was sitting on top of the refrigerator, and this free Medicare phone completely died. It will no longer hold a charge, so I have no phone now. I'm really stuck. The CoolPad Surf is still on, but I have to give them $55. I have enough for that. All right, another Burgh Unboxing to do. Catch you later. You can send things to George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553. When I'm able to get on the net again, I'll put that in the description, because someone asked. I cannot publish my wish list through Amazon, but there's enough out there. I will maybe start putting in descriptions things I want, and maybe once I do a video on the iPad. I did one the other day, a very long one. Maybe I can put the pictures of the things I want. You can see it in the video when I have the time. All right, there goes this CoolPad Surf going crazy again. I need to turn this thing off. Hold on. Oh, now it's on again. It keeps asking me for my password, and I've got the password on the CoolPad Surf, but that doesn't seem to like that. So I got to go into the shop and say, what's going on with this? It's one thing after another. Falky2013@Gmail for PayPal, by the way, and I thank the person that sent me the money to pay the internet bill. So, because I had to spend $32 on a phone and another $10 to get Comcast to work, Xfinity Wi-Fi, so I could be on the internet to see what was going on. No stimulus check, by the way. It's very annoying. Okay, bye-bye for now.